How to use the Awesome Oscillator trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the Awesome Oscillator strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the Awesome Oscillator (AO) indicator, which was developed by Bill Williams and helps to identify changes in market dynamics and possible trend reversals. The indicator consists of a histogram showing the difference between the 34-period and 5-period simple moving averages, or SMA. How to set up the Awesome Oscillator for quick trades. Set the default parameters 5 and 34 periods. Open an up trade when the AO crosses the zero line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when AO crosses the zero line from top to bottom. Use the Awesome Oscillator indicator together with other indicators such as Parabolic SAR or Bollinger Bands to increase the accuracy of signals. You can learn how Parabolic SAR or Bollinger Bands indicators work in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.